It's Christmas time. Christmas is already here. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm already feeling the air. I'm already feeling it in the air. Oh, good. Yes, Vlogmas is here again. Okay, this is my first time of actually being part of it, and I believe and I know that it's going to be fun for me and you, that we are going to be posting videos, having fun together in this Christmas. Oh, if you're seeing this face for the first time, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. You are welcome to this channel. So we are posting and posting and posting, yes, to keep you entertained and to be part of this vlogmas. Yeah. Okay, so my video today, remember I've actually been advising you from avoiding soda drinks. I talked about zobo. I did some recipes of zobo and I showed you in my video. You can go down there and watch, okay? Now today there's another interesting drink I want to show you how to make today. So in this Christmas, in this December, part of your enjoyment, you're going to be so cautious. Yes, you have to be so cautious about the kind of drink you take, about the kind of thing you take in. So in 2026, you're going to live healthy. You live healthy and have a healthy life, okay? So in this video, I want you to join me while I make my Tigernut drink. Okay, Tigernut drink, dates, and I'm going to be including coconut. I'm just going to be using these three things. Okay, look at it, these three things to make this drink. Are you seeing how healthy it is already? Oh God, it's going to be nutritious, good to the body. Okay, so avoid soda. Yes, avoid it. This Christmas, avoid it. You can do zobo, you can do this, you can do kunnu, the other healthy drinks that you can do. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this, and I want you to watch me while I do this. All right. So first of all, I'm going to be just washing this, and I'm going to, this has this date. This is a date. All right, this date. It has seeds already inside of it, so I'm going to be breaking it up to remove the seed. So, and I'm also going to be breaking this up to remove the main coconut inside. Then I'm going to be grinding it together. Remember, I just unboxed my new blender and grinder that can withstand all these hard things, that can grind it. That is why I went for that big one, so it can grind this for me. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be doing this, breaking this out first. Okay, actually don't want this video to be very long, so I'm going to be doing this without showing you. When I'm done, I'll come back to show you how I'm going to grind it, how I'm going to make it juicy for us to drink and get healthy. All right, so stay tuned. I'll come back to you after breaking this, washing all this, and getting ready for my grinding. Yeah, so I am actually done with the washing, the slicing of the coconut, and also the dates. It is broken and well washed. Okay, so everything is well washed. This is it. Then we're going to put some quantities in the blender. Remember this blender? Yeah, we are using it. This is our first time using it. Okay, we are going to go with the let's put some of the Tigernut. We are going to do it twice, so it won't be too heavy for it. Okay, so coconut. I believe you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, coconut. Okay, coconut, then some dates. All right. Okay, going to be adding some water to it because it's too dry. so it will be flexible. So let's add some quantity of water, not so much. That's what they drink, so we need water to be able to grind it. Okay, so this is good. All right, so let's go ahead to grind it. Let's cover it. Okay. Yeah, so we are good. So we have to twist to where I'm going to grind it. If you can see this very well, just adjust it, okay? Yeah. So we're going to be on it. Okay, so we are just taking it easy. This is thick, let's add more water. More water, it's too thick. So this is that. Whoa, this is quite thick. We do more water. Yeah, I think this is good. This is good. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's see what is going on. Please say off, off, off. Okay, guys. So we've ground it. It's quite thick, so we need to add more water. Then we add the juice out. Yes, I just remembered that I needed to add up something. This is ginger, so I just want to give it a nice spice, a nice aroma, and a nice flavor. So I'm going to be adding it up. Okay, so I'll grind it together with the tiger nuts, just a little of it, not too much. Okay, so let's grind that. Let's finalize the grinding. Okay guys, so we are good to go. We are done. We now want to bring out the juice from it. We are good to go. We are done. We now want to bring out the juice from it. So you see the juicy part of it. Yeah, so this is how it is. This is how juicy it is. I added a little more water to make it flexible. You remember I added ginger, and it's giving it a magnificent flavor and taste. Okay, so this is it. This is the consistency I had. I still have more. Yeah, I did a lot of it. Okay, so it will be enough for the family, so we won't think of drinking something that is not healthy. All right, so this is it. I'm going to be sipping out the shaft out. Okay, just a little of it to show you how it goes. So I'm going to be pouring it here. Yeah, I don't want it to pour. I just want to do a little to show you how. Okay. Oh, I need to use a white bowl. Okay, so this is, look at what we got here. So I'll do more of it just for okay. So I don't have a smaller stick. Okay, so this is it. That's the juice, quite very thick. So maybe you can add more water if you want yours to be not this thick. All right. I'm actually going to use a bigger bowl. I'm doing this for you to see. Look at this is it. This is a liquid. Okay. So this shot, you can test it and see if you can add more water to it. All right. So let me drop this here. And so this is the juice. This is my Tigernut milk water. Very healthy and nutritious. All right, so I'll just go ahead to put it in a bottle and put it in the freezer. So put this. So this is a little I got. I'm going to do more of it, but I just want to show you how this looks. So this is it. Are you seeing it? The thickness, you see? So I'll put this in my fridge. I'll fill it up, put it in my fridge, and it's ready for the family to drink. So this is called Tigernut drink. Tigernut mixed with dates and coconut and ginger. Try this for the family and you will not regret it. All right, thank you so much for staying put with me, staying tuned, watching this video. Please kindly subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on the bell button so you can always see my video. Thank you so much. Vlogmas Day 3.